guys, so today we'll be making an adorable Poofy Christmas wreath. What you will need, I have this 18-inch wreath ring, which is actually purchased at Dollar Tree. I have this gorgeous 21-inch striped Deco mesh, so pretty. And then I have some chenille stems that I have cut in half. The amount of chenille stems you'll need depends on how many poofs or ruffles you want to have on your wreath. So just have a nice amount on standby. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is unravel your Deco mesh slightly. And you see it kind of curls in on its own. But we're going to curl it to a nice little point. I like to start at the cross ring. For the first one, I twist it around the Deco mesh first, and then twist it around the inner two rings, just like that, and just tuck it away. Then I'm going to pull. Now you can measure how long you pull, but it's not going to be that huge of a deal. So I kind of estimate it to see. Make sure you keep the Deco mesh curled inward. So I pull about this much. Then I kind of just like scrunch it up like that. You can make these poofs larger or smaller. I wanted a pretty decent size, so that's why I went with that. Just going to take your chenille stem and place it down. I like to use the inner two rings. You could alternate or however you prefer. And then just twist, 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 and then tuck it away. And that's pretty much what you're going to do the entire time. So I keep it curled under, pull, and just scrunch it just like that. Another chenille stem, twist and tuck it away. And it will move a little, but the more you get in place, the more stable it will become. Just going to repeat this step. And this Deco mesh is a little stiffer as well, so take that into account. I just thought it was so cute though. Then you see you'll be able to kind of fluff it out. And keep in mind this is all in the same section, so it's going to be scrunched together like that. Maybe five loops in each section. So this is one section complete. We're going to do the same thing to the other 5 sections. Alright, so I've come around to the beginning and I'm almost out of mesh. I just cut the rest off of the roll and I'm going to make one final poof and twist it and then tuck it away. And then I'll cut away some of this excess. Then fluff everything out so that it looks nice and big and poofy all the way around. And you can do this with multiple colors. You can alternate the colors if you want to do the stripe and then solid red or anything like that. That'd be really cute. Fluffing everything up, making sure my Deco mesh is nice and poofy because I want a really large wreath. So I use the entire roll for this wreath. And this is what it's looking like. So cute and poofy. So I decided to add this adorable sign. It was actually purchased at Dollar Tree. It's so cute. It's a deer and it says, "Oh dear." And I'm going to place this in the center of my wreath. So what I'm going to do is just cut off the hanger and turn it upside down. So I'm going to take 2 chenille stems and twist them together to make one long chenille stem. Just like that. And we are going to place it in the center of our wreath. So I'm just going to like push everything over. We'll just make it nice and snug in there. I'm just going to find my ring and attach the chenille stem to the ring. We'll go with the first one. Push it over to find the stem. Just like that. I'm just going to wrap it around the stem a couple of times. Just like that. Alright, so just adjust it and kind of shape the mesh around the sign. It looks so cute and precious. And you are all done. If you'd like, you can, leave the center empty and add like a really cute bow. You can add ornaments, ribbon, whatever you'd like. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own.